As JT here with a quick video. My boy got the Losi Rock Ray, and we're just gonna open it up real quick and take a look at it. So he's gonna get to unboxing and look at. We'll have some running videos a little bit later on. It's kind of crazy weather here in Georgia right now with all the rain and stuff. Here we go. So yeah, I know we gotta do the smell-o-vision. Scratchy, scratchy. So this is actually bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. How is this compared to the size of the Yeti?
It's
about the same?
It's bigger.
It's bigger.
It's bigger than the Yeti. The tires are bigger. It's wider. It's a little bit longer.
Okay.
Comes with the light bar on the top there.
It's the LED light bar up in there.
I wish we had a Yeti to compare it to real quick, but
that's all right. We'll look at a couple of things with it. So those tires are bigger than the stock Yetis too, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they're a lot taller.
So looking at this tread, where they are pretty soft. So this can run 3 and 4S, 2, 3, and 4S.
Just 2 and 3S. The speed controller can run 4S.
Okay, but the motor can't.
Yeah.
Okay, and did have an aluminum chassis plate like underneath it. So that's good. Look at these A arms. Look at that. So they making sure if you hit something, you ain't breaking nothing on that.
Right.
So it's got a little. Look at the brakes in there, the little brake disc. Yeah. So I didn't know it had it on there. Can you see it through? You can't really see it through the tires and wheels, but you see that on there. So they got some pretty good detail on there. But the plastic is pretty thick with it. It does have threaded body shocks on it. We'll take a quick walk around real quick. And some of this does look a little bit beefier than some of the other standard cars with it as well.
In my opinion, the truck overall, just out of the box, is a ready-to-run model versus the Yeti. It's just a whole different ball game, in my opinion. And I can say that because I've had a Yeti. So this is it's kind of crazy. It's pretty unique. I haven't ran it yet. I just got it. But I would imagine that it's definitely going to give a Yeti a run for its money.
Yeah. Looks like it's going to be a little bit more stable and stability. And this won't be a weak point on it like it was on some of the Yetis as well. Yeah,
exactly. And then right here, here's your battery door here. You just click that back, slide the battery in, and you got this EC3 connector, which I'm not a fan of.
That's plugged directly into it, okay.
Yeah.
So if you guys can see that up in here, we can get that right there. So it's kind of like Arma did with the Voltage series, but that's a whole different car where you actually plug the speed controller into the chassis, and then this battery plugs into there.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's kind of making you kind of get an EC3 connector or adapter for it.
Adapter, yeah, that's what I'm on. Get an adapter, but you can pretty much fit any of your 2 and 3S lipos in there. I don't think you're gonna have much of a problem as long as 5,000 or whatever like that.
Yeah, 5,000 below. You couldn't go to no 8,000 or nothing.
No,
that definitely won't fit.
No.
So what's this component for? Is that where the motor?
That right, from what I've read so far, is right here is where you want to go in if you want to make gear changes and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. So they make it easy accessible to get to your gearbox stuff to not take all the stuff off. So that's good.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know a lot about it yet, but I plan to learn about it.
Yeah, we're just reviewing this real quick and looking at it because he got it, and y'all know I love to smell a new RC cars. So yeah, that body looks good though.
Yeah, they did a good job with it. I can't wait to just get it out there and run it, man. But it's amazing to me, guys, like how much taller the tires are over like the stock Yeti tires.
Yeah, look at those right there.
I don't know if they're wider, but they're definitely taller.
Yeah, they're definitely. And if they're wider, probably by a 1/4 of an inch or something. But this thing looks pretty good, guys. So I just wanted to show this to you real quick. We won't get too in depth. Like I said, we're looking at this, figuring out everything, the XYZs of it, and try to get it running pretty soon once we get a couple things for it. But wanted to show this to you guys. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.